Raw food diet. It's good to eat raw food. The growth and health of our bodies are dependent on fresh food. When you intake the raw food, it gives you a feeling of happiness and makes your body more energetic. Raw food diets focused on the uncooked and natural plant food that we can use directly, such as fruits, vegetables, juices, nuts, seeds, and purified water. Why raw foods? The raw food diet encourages eating and drinking living food. Living foods and juices contain the right amount of vitamins and fiber. You can easily digest these foods. These foods contain low calories through which you can quickly lose your weight. If you give heat to food above 116 degrees Fahrenheit, it kills all the important complement of this food and reduces its nutritional value. Benefits of a raw food diet. A diet containing 75 raw foods provides various health benefits, like the improved immune system, reduced weight, fresh glowing skin, increased energy, and reduces the risk of serious illness like cancer, heart issue, and diabetes. A raw food diet contains a good amount of vitamins, minerals, magnesium, and fiber. It contains a low amount of saturated fats and sodium, which is good. Raw food diets are also known as detox diets. Different combinations of raw food and juices are used for skin cleansing, liver cleansing, and kidney cleansing because it removes all kinds of impurities from your body. The basics of a raw food diet. Raw food diet is a combination of fresh juices, fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, beans, grains, and coconut milk. Your food choice can depend on your dietary reasons. For example, sprouted brown rice improves the digestive system of the body and reduces the absorption of glucose. Cabbage keeps your heart healthy and lowers the blood pressure. Carrots contain a rich amount of vitamin A, which improves the eyesight and lower the cholesterol level. Vegetables, seeds, beans, and grains contain a rich amount of vitamins, proteins, and minerals, which improve the digestive system of your body. You can use sprouts in the form of salads, soups, and juices. Fresh juices contain a rich amount of vitamins which increase the energy level of your body. Kempo Green Powered Juicer produces different juices that contain a rich amount of vitamins and nutrients. Carrot juice with potatoes, fennel, and apples is a great juicing recipe to complement a raw food diet. The ingredients of this powerful drink are 2 apples, 4 medium-sized carrots, 1 small-sized potato, and a small amount of fennel. Fennel helps to regulate the blood pressure, purify the blood, and improve the eyesight. It contains a rich amount of vitamin B complex, zinc, and nutrients. It really helps to reduce your weight. Seeds and grains contain a large number of nutrients. They contain many vitamins, especially vitamin A, B, and E. They reduce the risk of obesity, stroke, and heart disease. Soy Quick, soy milk maker, is used to make different kinds of drinks from rice, grains, beans, and seeds to have during mealtime. Raw food diet is basically a concept of eating uncooked food for at least 75% of the time. If you don't like to eat uncooked food, you can warm your food at less than the 116 degree Fahrenheit temperature. Cautionary note: before selecting any diet plan, I recommend you to consult your doctor. For instance, diet for pregnant lady, children, and anyone having any kind of medical issue should be chosen with caution. Sometimes, even natural food may affect the medication. So I recommend you to ask your doctor if you have any medical history and taking medicine of it, as the raw food diet is a detoxifying diet so that the people who are following that diet may have to face some minor levels of reactions, like headaches, vomiting, and cravings. There might be a possibility that these symptoms last for a few days, and you will really enjoy your raw food diet if you stop using meat, milk, and sugar a week or so before you start your diet. Last but not least, a raw food diet is definitely a healthy way to improve your health and happiness. It takes some time, effort, and dedication like everything worthwhile. It takes some time to prepare food from scratch for the specific form of diet. There are many products in the markets that help you to save your time. If you are taking raw food diet and doing regular exercise, you can easily reduce your weight. Raw food and physical activities is good for weight loss method. If want to boost up your energy, then raw food diet is the best option for you.